Today we will be learning how to make a breakfast burrito. Before we cook, it is important to make sure that our hands are washed and the surfaces we will be working on are clean. Over the next several slides, we will be going over the ingredients as well as the tools needed to complete this recipe. The tools we will need include a whisk, a bowl, a cut glove, a knife, a cutting board, 1/4 and 1/8 cups measuring cup, a spatula, and a skillet. The first ingredient we will need is an egg. Next, we will need 1 tablespoon of any kind of shredded cheese. For the burrito itself, we will need 1 6-inch whole wheat tortilla. Make sure you have some oil or spray for cooking to prevent the tortilla from sticking to the pan. Next, we will need 1/4 cup of any 3 veggies. Some examples are red onion, arugula or spinach, zucchini or yellow squash, etc. Now that we have all of our ingredients, we are going to start cooking this recipe. First, we will be whisking our egg in a small bowl. Next, we are going to cook our vegetables. So first, we are going to spray our skillet with cooking spray and add 1/8 cup of each prepared vegetable. If the vegetables are leafier, 1/4 cup or more is sufficient. Make sure to start with the longer cooking vegetables such as the spinach, and then add quicker cooking vegetables like the zucchini and onions. Cook through or to desired crunchiness. Next, we are going to pour our whisked egg over the vegetables and stir continuously to scramble the mixture together. Once the mixture is cooked through, place the egg and vegetable mixture on the center of a tortilla and sprinkle with cheese if desired. Feel free to add a dollop of refried beans and/or salsa. Next, we are going to roll our burrito. So to roll into a burrito, fold the right and left side of the tortilla until they nearly touch at the center of the mixture. Then, using your thumbs, bring up the bottom of the tortilla and begin to roll, securing the tortilla around the mixture so it looks like a cylinder. Lastly, we are going to toast the burrito. Place the burrito seam side down on the skillet and toast until browned. Flip to brown the other side. During this step, remember that the skillet is hot. If you are not comfortable toasting the burrito on the skillet, ask someone for help. Now we are ready to enjoy the burrito. If not ready to eat, we can freeze for a great microwavable grab-and-go breakfast. And that is how we make our breakfast burrito.